Hey everyone and welcome. Today I will show you how to watch Champions League on Paramount Plus. Let's get started. First, you need to open a browser. And then you need to use a VPN. Here you can see I am using Opera GX VPN. And you need to set it into Europe region. After that, search for Paramount Plus in your browser. Click the first link that pops up. Here you can see the sign in button at the top right corner. Note that you need a Paramount Plus account to be able to watch this. Sign in to your Paramount Plus account. After that, you'll now have access on Champions League on Paramount Plus.